Good afternoon, 7th graders. I'm going to give you an explanation on how we're going to continue working on criterion A. So the first important thing you need to know is that we are working in the design journal that you created for yourself on Monday. Do you remember doing that? You came here and you were supposed to create your own personal design journal here. You weren't supposed to turn it in. This is your own design journal. Looks like this. You're going to be recording your work today in here. This is where you are typing today. You are not submitting this document today. You will not turn in this document. This is your own document. You will just be writing your answers in here. Okay? The assignment that you're going to do today, though, is to explain and justify why you need to make or design this sustainable home for the specific family you have in mind. So you need to identify your audience, the family you've chose, their ages, how many they are in the family, excuse me, that's a typo, and why they need a sustainable home in Albania. All of those things are important and need to be in your justification. You need to explain what a sustainable home is, why they're important for the world, and why it's necessary for one to be built here in Albania. You should mention ideas like sustainability, housing, and the environment. Why is it necessary that this family is designed a specific sustainable home from you? Just explain that and justify it in your words as best you can. You should aim for about 200 words and cite any sources you've used. I have updated our resource list for this unit. So if you come back here, I'll attach it to today's assignment. But I've updated this resource list to include down here why sustainable homes are important. You can get some inspiration from these sources here, or if you found your own sources, feel free to use those. Whenever you submit this assignment, like I said, you will not submit your design journal. This is not what you will be turning in. Instead, you will be submitting a screenshot of your first task. This is because if you turn in this design journal, you won't be able to access it as part of the assignment. This is your personal design journal. You need to be able to hold on to this to record your work for this unit. The only reason we're doing this any differently from normal is because I'm not there to see your work. In class, if we were in a physical class, you would not be turning in your design journal each day, would you? No, I would just be seeing the work that you've done in class, right? And so I'd be able to know if you're working. But now, since I'm not there with you for me to know that you're working, you're going to just submit a screenshot of your first task to your design journal, okay? You need to be able to keep this design journal to keep working so you can have your research plan here, you can analyze products here, and do your design brief here so we can work on everything like we normally do. So you will not submit this document. Once more, you will not submit this document. You will just take a screenshot of the work that you've done today. Okay, and you will turn in that screenshot or that photo of your task with this document here. This document, you'll just insert a photo of what you've completed today, your explanation and justification of the need for a home design, sustainable home design. You'll put that right here. So I'll be able to see the progress you've made, see that you're working, but you will get to keep your own copy of your design journal. We will be working on this today. I want you to do your best to finish it today. Try to finish it all today so that Monday we can continue on working on the next part of our assignment. Good luck. If you have any questions, please email me or make a comment here so others can see it. I will talk to you on Monday. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.